This project is called the Grasslands Trial, which is being held here at Wollongong Cemetery. It's about bringing native vegetation communities back into our open spaces. Yeah, my name's Paul. I'm the Operations Manager of the Memorial Gardens and Cemeteries. This approach has shown a lot of success in Project Cultivate, based in Melbourne. So it was a member of public, and he got the idea from Project Cultivate. He said, can we look at this? Can we do something similar? And then that's when we thought a trial would be the best way to go. Our staff, combined with the natural areas staff, planted 450 plants here, and we continue to monitor and maintain those plants. Introducing grasslands into our cemeteries will also reduce herbicide use, decrease in ambient air temperature, increase activity from beneficial insects and birds, and the improvement of soil quality. A volunteer group approached us and wanted to be involved in some way, and we thought the best way to do this would have a separate area, and both have been really successful. Cemeteries require high maintenance, so if there is a way that we could do this more sustainably and long term, then this is a great opportunity. If you'd like to find out more about the trial or would like to join the Grasslands volunteer group, our details are on the Memorial Gardens and Cemeteries website.